Hi Stampers, happy card sketch transformation. We are on card sketch number 437. Isn't it cute? You're gonna make this card with me today on Monday and you're gonna send it out on Tuesday. Super cute little summary card. It's gonna be super easy, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is the card sketch. Make a splash. Isn't it cute? We're using the Splash and Relax bundle. And we're going to use this designer paper, which is the Beautiful Ordinary Life, which these two pieces are from that collection of designer paper. Isn't it sweet? Super easy card sketch today. So let's show you the sketch. This is the card sketch. Okay, and you guys get the printable on Sundays if you are a Facebook subscriber. Remember, it goes live on Sunday at 12:45 for my Facebook subscribers. You guys can get it between Monday and Wednesday, just depending on when I get my Wednesday live project ready. So, but those usually are available on my blog, all right? So let's get our pieces. So we're using the basic white. I did do a little die cutting ahead of time just to save some time. So basic white piece. You can also use the basic white thick if you want, but this is just the regular basic white for me today. This is cut at 4 1/4 by 11. Gonna make your base. Let's get your measurements here. The Pool Party piece is cut at 3 by 4 1/2. This piece of Beautiful Ordinary Life, this is cut at 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. And this is double-sided, the paper, and the back side is all black and white. That's what I love about this paper. And then the front side are all like summery colors. So 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. And then the stylish shapes, I cut out the banner, and then this is about 2 1/8 circle. Okay, so this is let me show you the banner. But this is the die that I used for the banner. And then the third circle is what I used from the largest, is the circle that I used on this one. And that's about 2 1/8. And then I just cut out another banner just in case I mess up, because we're going to be doing some omitting again. I got my glasses and the daffodil. I got my little Slurpee cup with the Costa Cabana. Oh, and then this piece of the Beautiful Ordinary Life. This is cut at 1 inch. And then I'm going to pennant this end. This should be, I think the finished size is about 1 by 1. But I cut it a little bit longer so I can pennant that. And then here's my flip-flops with the basic white and the basic white for my Slurpee cup. And then I cut out my glasses with the silver foil sheet. All right, so you might remember last week's card. Let me show you that to refresh your memory. I wanted to show you how much bigger these glasses are and the flip-flops. So you can see here, the yellow one is from the Splash and Relax. So can you see the difference in the size? But they're still so cute, both of them. They offer different, things. And then look at the flip-flop. So this is the Flirty Flamingo compared to the Azure Afternoon. So it's just a little bit bigger, but they are a different style, I feel like. The straps are a little bit thinner and the foot is a little bit narrower, right? All right, so let's go ahead and put our pieces together. And I'm going to attempt to omit on this stamp set, which is the Splash and Relax. Let me show you that stamp set. This is the Splash and Relax. And then this is the dies. You get the inner tube, you get the beach ball, the Slurpee cup, the sun visor, suntan lotion. It's such a cute, darling little set. And then this is the greeting we're going to use here. It's your day to make a splash. I'm going to omit and just stamp the make a splash on my little banner here. So I have my stamp already on my block. Let's just go ahead and stamp that. And I have my scrap piece of Berry Burst just so that I can see my banner onto my grid paper so I can see to where to line that up. So I'm going to take my stamp and I'm going to just ink up make a splash. So this would be cute for a birthday or a pool party, right? Pool party for a birthday, that would be cute. Make a splash. All right, and if you get any ink on the other words, just take a baby wipe and just kind of get that off there. All right, so make a splash. I'm going to stamp this towards the end on the right of my banner. Right about there. Yay, I did it. All right, so that's good. That's really all the stamping. And then I'm going to grab my circle and we're going to do some ink blending with my Pool Party. We're just going to add a little background with my blending brush. Just so it's not so white. You guys know I like to do that. So I'm going to ink up my blending brush with the Pool Party. And then I'm going to come onto the circle and just add a little hint of the Pool Party in the background. Just like that. We got that done. Now let's go ahead and put our pieces together. I'm going to put my Pool Party piece on straight in the center of the card. That's going to go right here, right in the center. And then I know many of you won't like to turn this, but of course you could keep it straight if you wanted. I would just offset it if you want to keep it straight. But I feel like when you angle like a little cutout like this with this designer paper, it just brings your eye right to that angle cut of the paper. So can you see the difference here? So this is the angle way we're going to put this on today. And instead of putting it straight on, you could put it right in the middle. You could bring it over to the side, just offset it a little bit. But just turning that, it just gives it a different look. Okay. So we're just going to angle this just a little bit so it's coming off to the side over here. And then on this little 1-inch piece, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to flag this end. This could also be an embellishment if you want up here in the corner. But I'm going to put my greeting here. So this is the one that we stamped, make a splash. And I'm going to put my liquid glue over here on this end. And I'm just going to put this right in that angle cut area right there. Just going to hold that together just for a couple seconds. And then let me see how long this is. This is a little bit longer. So I'm going to actually cut this end here with this Pool Party just a little bit to bring that down. And then we're going to put this right up here in the corner. And I'm going to put this on dimensionals. This is going to go right up here in the top left corner. Let me show you. And then we're going to pop our circle up, again on dimensionals. And then this is going to go right down here. And then let's put all our little pieces together. I'm going to take my liquid glue and put some glue on the glass frames, just a little bit. And then right across my little Slurpee cup. Grab my take your pick tool and we're going to put our lenses on, which is the silver foil sheet. Take our cup lid with the straw, and there's one little touch that I'm going to make with the straw. I'm going to take my Summer Splash Stampin' Blends. This is the end color that just retired. When I looked for this marker, it's still in the last chance list, so I'm just going to touch on this straw and make little lines going across the straw. Hopefully you can see that. Here, let me show you here. Oh, wait. Let me put it on this berry burr so you can see the straw. It kind of breaks it up a little bit. It just makes it just a little detail there. And then we're going to pop our cup and our sunglasses up on dimensionals. And then our flip-flops. Remember the flip-flops here, there is a left and a right. And let me pick up my little flip-flop piece. Remember on this one, all right, so I'm going to take this flat edge right here. Let me see my cardstock here. There's a more flatter edge right on this side, and that's going to go on the instep of the flip-flop. So that's going to be on my left foot, right over here. And then this one is going to go on the right foot. Just imagine your foot going in that flip-flop. So when I'm positioning my little white piece here, I'm picturing my toe right here and right here. So hopefully that makes sense. And then we're going to put one dimensional on the right side, flip-flop. Okay, and now we're going to put this onto our circle. We're going to put our cup on first, but let me take our backings off of all my dimensionals. Our cup on here, off to the side. And then our flip-flop, I'm going to put this one on with liquid glue. This one is going to go on with the dimensional right here. And then our glasses. So cute. Got everything. Your glasses, your flip-flops, and your summery drink, right? All right, so we're going to add some of the sunset sparkle sequins. I'm going to add some of these pool party colors just around the outside edges. I'm going to put one here on my little element right there. Maybe one down here. And then a small one over here right in the center of that flower maybe. That looks so cute. How cute is that card? Make a splash. Then of course with the card being white, you could stamp happy birthday, thinking of you, whatever you want for your sending it out on Tuesday, right? Make the card on Monday, send it out on Tuesday. That's the challenge I'm giving everybody. So here's the other card sketch, the first one I made. And then here's your template. So cute. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can email me here, dawn@theglitterpit.com. You can also leave your comments down below. Also, let me know in the comments who you're going to send it to. I can't wait for you guys to start sending your cards. You're going to get such a response back from those that receive this cute little card. So easy, and it's really going to make somebody's day to get this card. Okay, so I will see you again on Wednesday in the Glitter Pit. We'll be live at 3 o'clock on Wednesday. That's Eastern time. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.